morning, everybody. This is Josh Zell, Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's tidbit is another funny story from open houses. How many of you have been here? As a new agent, you're just eager to do whatever you can to grow your business, experience new things, and you just kind of blindly jump at opportunities, right? Wonderful trait to have, will open so many doors, but you're bound to make a few mistakes along the way. And this is one of those stories. I had had my license maybe 2 or 3 weeks. You hear you should do an open house. So I don't have any listings. So it's like, what can I do? So I reach out to everybody in my office and it's like, hey, who has a listing? I can do an open house. One of the most experienced, more successful agents in our office raises his hand. He's like, it's a big guy, deep voice. They're like, I got a listing you can do. Wonderful. Great, send me over the address. I'll do it. He's like, I will, great. So he sends me the address and it's a house in Whitman. If you're familiar with the Phoenix area, Whitman is one of our kind of northwest suburbs on your way out to Vegas. Known for having acreages, stuff like that. So as a new agent, I honestly did not know much about Whitman. Had never done business, knew nobody in Whitman at the time, and I've heard of it, so I didn't think anything of it. So day comes up, somebody at my office was kind enough to loan me 4 signs. And I let my whole family know, I let a couple of my friends know, hey, come visit me, I'm gonna be doing an open house. So I bring a nice cooler full of drinks, huge thing of snacks, because I'm thinking, there's probably gonna be like 50 people showing up. It's gonna be great. So arrive at the house, realize there's no power, there's no AC, no nothing. And it's the middle of summer. It's probably about 112 degrees outside. And we realize it's actually better to go outside in the breezeway because at least there's a little bit of airflow because it's about 105 degrees inside the house. And I didn't even have keys to get into the garage or any of the other rooms or anything like that. But that's probably minor in the context of I only brought 4 signs with me. I didn't even have enough signs to get out to a, let's just say, paved road, much less a main road. The only people that showed up was one neighbor who lived a ways up, but these were kind of like acreages, so he was actually able to see my sign and see there was activity in the house next door, so he wanted to see what was going on. And my family and one of my best friends who swung by. Not the most successful open house in the world, but definitely a very good learning experience. I have yet to ever bring not enough signs ever again, and fortunately the market's changed, so we really don't have to worry about power and AC issues much anymore. But holy cow, that was a fun 4 hours. Again, if you guys have any great open house stories, please share them with me. Message me. I would love to feature you actually on camera with me doing a tidbit. It would be great to share our community with so many other people. Have an awesome day, guys. Today's tidbit is yet another crazy story from open housing. As a new agent, tell me how many of you guys, okay, here we go. How many of you